Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a friend on Facebook. So here I've already on Facebook, and the first thing that you need to do is you can go to the search page. Just click on the search column at search icon at the top and then type in your friend's name. So click on this and then type in your friend's name, and then after that you can just click on the account, and here you'll find there is an option to add friend. So just click on that, and then after that, if their profile is private, you will be requested, your friend request will be requested like this. But if they are in public profile, you will be automatically follow or adding the account as a friend. Okay guys, so I think that's all. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.